Here we have the Tecno Spark Pro Plus, which is priced at around $200, and that is why it is so interesting. It has several designs, some synthetic leatherette back cover, and in this case it is going to offer us the MediaTek Helio G99 processor. A 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with 120 Hz, the front camera is 32 megapixels, and in the back we find the main camera of 108 megapixels accompanied by a 2 megapixel macro camera, and the rest will be simply decoration to make it look more advanced. The design looks very good. It has a USB-C port, its battery is 5 milliamps and has a 33 watts charge. Honestly, it is a device that looks very premium and very attractive, but the most remarkable thing is its price. Consider also that it is 7.55 in thickness and is IP53 certified against splashes. The back cover is curved just like the screen, and it does have stereo sound, so it has everything for a very low price.